Hello, my name is Suman Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Suman G. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of Wi-Fi. It's an undeniable fact that Wi-Fi has become an essential part of our everyday lives. From working at home to streaming our favorite shows, Wi-Fi is the invisible thread that connects us to the digital world. It's as common as the air we breathe, yet its workings remain a mystery to many. That's where this video comes in. Our objective today is to lift the veil on Wi-Fi, to delve into its inner workings, and to understand its importance in our connected world. We'll explore what Wi-Fi is, how it works, its role in our lives, and where it's headed in the future. So, tighten your seatbelts as we prepare to take off on this enlightening journey. Now let's dive into the world of Wi-Fi. Imagine a world where you can connect to the internet without any wires. That's Wi-Fi. Now, let's dive deeper into what Wi-Fi really is. At its core, Wi-Fi is a wireless networking protocol. Think of it as a language that devices use to communicate with each other. This language allows devices, such as your computer, smartphone, or even your smart refrigerator, to connect to the internet without any pesky internet cables. But how does it do this? Simply put, Wi-Fi creates a network, a sort of invisible web that connects all your devices together. This network is powered by a device we all have come to know and love, the Wi-Fi router. This magical little box takes the internet connection from your service provider and broadcasts it as a wireless signal. Your devices catch this signal and voila! You're connected to the internet. No wires needed. Now, let's talk about the role of Wi-Fi in our daily lives. It's more than just a way to surf the web or stream your favorite shows. Wi-Fi has become a fundamental part of our digital lives. It powers our work, our communication, our entertainment, and so much more. It's the invisible thread that connects us to the global network of information and ideas. And here's a fun fact for you. Wi-Fi doesn't actually stand for anything. It's not an acronym or an abbreviation. It's simply a name that the inventors thought would be catchy and easy to remember. And they were right. Wi-Fi has become a household name all around the world, but Wi-Fi isn't just about convenience. It's about accessibility too. Wi-Fi has made the internet more accessible to people in remote areas where running internet cables can be difficult or even impossible. It's broken down barriers and opened up new opportunities, changing the way we live, work, and play. So Wi-Fi is essentially wireless internet, but how does it work? Let's find out. Wi-Fi operates in a fascinating way that takes advantage of radio waves. This is where the magic happens, where the invisible becomes visible, and it's all thanks to a technology that's been around for over a century. Radio waves. In the simplest terms, Wi-Fi works by transmitting information via radio waves. It's a bit like how a radio station broadcasts its signal. But instead of sending out music or news, Wi-Fi sends out data. Everything from emails and web pages to streaming videos and video game data. The process starts with your internet service provider, or ISP. They send a stream of internet data to your Wi-Fi router via a wired connection. This could be a cable line, a fiber optic line, or even a DSL line that uses your home's phone lines. The key thing is that this connection is physical, a solid line of communication from the wider internet to your home. Once the data reaches your Wi-Fi router, that's where the radio waves come in. Your router takes the data from your ISP and converts it into a radio signal. This signal is then broadcast out from the router's antenna. Now, here's an interesting part. These radio signals are broadcast out in all directions at once, a bit like how a light bulb emits light. That's why you can connect to your Wi-Fi from anywhere in your home. But it's also why the signal gets weaker the further you get from the router, just like how a light gets dimmer the further you get from the source. But let's get back to those radio waves. They're zipping through the air, carrying your data with them. But how do they get to your devices? That's where the Wi-Fi card comes in. This is a piece of hardware that's built into your laptop, your smartphone, your smart TV, and any other device that can connect to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi card's job is to listen for these radio waves. When it detects a signal, it converts the radio waves back into data that your device can understand. It's a bit like how a radio takes the radio waves it receives and turns them back into music or news. But Wi-Fi isn't a one-way street. When you click a link or send an email, your device needs to send data back to the router. So, your Wi-Fi card converts this data into a radio signal and sends it zipping back through the air to your router. The router then sends this data back down the line to your ISP, and from there, it goes out to the wider internet. So, in essence, Wi-Fi is a constant dance of data and radio waves, a back and forth conversation between your devices and your router, and all of it happens in the blink of an eye, so fast that you don't even notice it. So that's how Wi-Fi works. But why is it so important in our lives? Let's explore. Scene script. Wi-Fi has revolutionized the way we connect to the internet and each other. Imagine a world without Wi-Fi. Seems impossible, right? That's because Wi-Fi has become as essential to our day-to-day lives as electricity or running water. It's the invisible thread that ties us to the world, keeping us plugged into the pulse of the planet 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Let's take a moment to appreciate how Wi-Fi has changed our lives. Remember when you had to be tethered to a desktop computer to access the internet? Those days are long gone. Now, with Wi-Fi, we can surf the web, stream movies, and connect with people across the globe, all from the comfort of our couch or even from a remote island. But Wi-Fi isn't just about convenience. It's also about possibilities. It has become the backbone of many modern technologies. Think about the Internet of Things or IoT, smart homes, connected cars, wearable health monitors. All these are made possible because of Wi-Fi. And let's not forget about the role Wi-Fi plays in education. With the advent of online courses and remote learning, Wi-Fi has broken down geographical barriers, making education accessible to millions who would otherwise be left out. In the business world, Wi-Fi has transformed the way we work. It has enabled remote work and telecommuting, making our work lives more flexible and efficient. Without Wi-Fi, the world as we know it would grind to a halt. In healthcare, Wi-Fi has facilitated the development of telemedicine, allowing doctors to treat patients remotely, especially in underserved areas. This has been particularly crucial during times of crisis, like the pandemic, when in-person visits were risky. Wi-Fi has also played a pivotal role in social connectivity. It has enabled the rise of social media platforms, allowing us to stay connected with friends and family, share moments, and build communities, no matter the distance. In essence, Wi-Fi is more than just a way to connect to the internet. It's a catalyst for innovation, a tool for inclusivity, and a vehicle for social connection. Wi-Fi is indeed a game changer, but what about its future? Let's take a peek. The future of Wi-Fi is as exciting as its present. As we move forward in the digital age, we'll witness the evolution of Wi-Fi technology, with innovations such as Wi-Fi 6 and beyond. Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax, is the latest generation of Wi-Fi that promises to revolutionize our wireless connectivity. It's designed to improve the speed, increase efficiency, and reduce congestion in heavy bandwidth usage scenarios. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in just a few seconds or seamlessly streaming your favorite virtual reality games. All of this will be possible with the power of Wi-Fi 6. And it doesn't stop there. The future of Wi-Fi holds even more advancements. We're looking at the development of Wi-Fi 7, which is expected to deliver even faster speeds and more reliable connections. This next generation of Wi-Fi will further enhance our online experiences, from video conferencing to online gaming and beyond. Moreover, the future of Wi-Fi is not just about speed. It's also about security. Future Wi-Fi technologies will come with more advanced security protocols to protect our data from cyber threats. We're talking about more robust encryption and authentication methods, that will keep our online activities safe and secure. In addition to speed and security, the future of Wi-Fi will also bring more convenience. Imagine having a seamless Wi-Fi connection in every corner of your home or even outside in your garden. This will be made possible through advancements in Wi-Fi technology that will improve coverage and eliminate dead zones. The future of Wi-Fi is indeed promising. It will transform the way we connect to the internet, making our digital experiences faster, more reliable, and more secure. So that's an overview of Wi-Fi, its workings, importance, and future. Remember, the next time you connect to Wi-Fi, there's a lot of tech magic happening behind the scenes. Thank you for joining me today on Technical Suman Ji. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.